Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about some new updates to apps on my Galaxy S24 Ultra. And Samsung actually last night just leaked OneUI 7 on their Spain website. It has since been removed, but I did get to peek at the page for OneUI 7 while it was still live, and it does look like it's going to be a pretty good update. Now here on my Galaxy S24 Ultra, I have installed 3 of the leaked apps, and that is the calendar, the clock, and reminders. Now, these have the updated icons. The apps aren't too terribly much different than what we already have in OneUI 6, but they do have the new icons and some new design changes and stuff like that, which we'll get to see more of when they are fully released in OneUI 7 when it actually comes out to the public. Now, that being said, I have tried to use the widgets on these apps, and the reminders widget seems to work okay. If I add the widget here, it actually works. I don't have any reminders currently set up right now, but we can see here are the settings. We can sort it by different categories and orders and stuff like that. So that is pretty cool. There's a couple extra options there than what I had on the regular app before this. You can pin important to the top. You can show completed reminders. You can match the phone setting, change it between light and dark. And then instead of the slider being, a bunch of different options and then going to transparent, it is now just 3 stages. And if you want to make it transparent, you just turn off the background option and then the widget becomes transparent. That one works okay, just fine, no issues with that. There is a bunch of new clock widgets, but I am unable to get them to work here. As you can see, this one is kind of glitched out. It shows up, and then these right here just don't load. So obviously we'll have to wait for an app update to fix that. And then calendar right here, these widgets also seem to work just fine. No issues with that. And again, they have the same kind of settings right here. This one, when you add it, does get messed up. It doesn't show what the preview actually was. It just shows the date right here. I don't know what's up with that. It doesn't have the days over here and then your events over here. So that's a little messed up on that one. As you can see there. But again, when OneUI 7 comes out and these app updates are actually live, then we can expect to obviously see those working widgets. But those are just some of the new leaked widgets, and we can kind of get a hint at what the icons are going to look like in OneUI 7 by these system apps right here that have already been, the APKs have already been leaked. The calendar update just got another update that somebody put out today, and it made the icon like full size. It used to have the border around it, and now it is the full size icon. So that's pretty cool. That's just some of the stuff we can look forward to when OneUI finally releases. And when the beta is out, I will be doing a live stream and installing it on my device so we can take a look at it together. And then of course, I'll be doing a bunch of videos and stuff like that. Hopefully sometime in the next few days, this beta will be released. Right now it's up in the air between the beginning, the first week of December, and mid-December. It's kind of bouncing back and forth. So make sure you click that subscribe button so you know when I go live with that stream. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.